welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video, we carry around a sound level logger for the day to determine whether or not our typical daily sound levels are dangerous. When sound reaches harmful levels, it can impact the inner ear's functioning and result in temporary hearing loss. With repeated exposure to dangerous noise, the ear will have a compromised ability to recover. A decibel is a relative unit of measurement for gauging the intensity of sound. The decibel scale is logarithmic, meaning for every 10 decibel increase, there is a 10 times increase in sound intensity. The table outlines the length of time a person without hearing protection can experience a level of noise before the standard is exceeded. For our experiment, we will record results using two exposure metrics, namely the equivalent continuous sound level, the LEQ. The LEQ represents the total sound exposure over an amount of time. And two, the maximum sound level. This is abbreviated as Lmax. This is the maximum noise level during a measurement or noise event. Firstly, we've programmed the sound level logger to commence recording at 4:25 AM. And it was to continue logging at 1 second intervals until 12:30 PM. Then I'll go about my normal daily activities with the sound level logger positioned at arm's length. Every 30 minutes, I'll make a note of the activities to pair with data at the end of the recording. At 4:25, the sound level logger automatically begins logging. Good afternoon, instrument choice. This is Eliza. At 12:30, we stop and download data from the logger. On the left is the legend for Lmax, LEQ, and Lmin. The vertical axis has the decibel level, and the horizontal has the time. Zooming in, we can see some notable peaks and troughs throughout the day. For the totality of this experiment, the LEQ was 69.5. However, looking closely at individual tasks, we can see there were some levels that came a little bit close to becoming hazardous. Let's take a look. At the gym, our LEQ was 76.9, achieved a maximum level of 88.7. The highest Lmax achieved through the day was 96.53. This was while walking the dogs and due to a garbage truck driving past. And zooming in on this noticeable peak, you can see our LEQ was 83.1 while getting ready for work. So, are sound levels encountered on a typical day hazardous? Nope, not in this case, although there were some surprising Lmax sound levels. Our LEQ for the recording period was 69.5, and this does not exceed the 8-hour LEQ of 85 decibels. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.